Hello, and welcome to French class with Annabel.
Sally, and welcome to French class with Annabel. If you're watching for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Annabel. Please watch my video to the end and share your thoughts. Thank you. So, in today's class, we'll be looking at the most important past tense in French, le passé composé, which is same as past tense in English language. And by the end of this lesson, we'll be able to say things like I ate, I watched the movie, I danced, I went, I came, I cooked, and so on. Without much ado, let's get started. Now, step one. What is le passé composé? Now, le passé composé are those words used to talk about completed actions in the past. I take that again. Le passé composé are those words used to refer to completed actions in the past. Examples are I watched a movie, I danced yesterday, I cooked the food, and so on. Now, step two. How is le passé composé formed? Now, le passé composé is formed using the auxiliary verbs avoir or être. I repeat, le passé composé is formed using the auxiliary verbs avoir or être in the present tense and then the main verbs past participle. Examples: j'ai mangé du riz. J'ai mangé du riz. I ate the rice. Je suis allé à l'école. I went to school. J'ai regardé un film. I watched a movie. And please note, avoir is used for most verbs, while être is used for some reflexive verbs and motion verbs. Did you get that? I said avoir is used for some verbs and être is used for some reflexive verbs and motion verbs. Step 3. Le passé composé with the auxiliary verb avoir. We are going to be using the verb manger as our main verb, for example. Now, je mange, I eat or I am eating. J'ai mangé, I have eaten. Okay? Now, j'ai remains in its present form, which means I have. Manger with an accent aigu or with an acute accent is the past participle of the main verb manger. I hope that's clear. Now, let's conjugate the verb manger in the passé composé. J'ai mangé, I have eaten. Tu as mangé, you have eaten. Il a mangé, he has eaten. Elle a mangé, she has eaten. On a mangé, one has eaten. Nous avons mangé, we have eaten. Vous avez mangé, you have eaten. Plural. Ils ont mangé, they have eaten. Masculine, plural. Elles ont mangé, they have eaten. Feminine, plural. And please note the verb never changes, only the auxiliary does. Step 4. How to form the past participle for regular verbs. Now 1. For ER verbs, the R is taken away from the suffix and an accent aigu or an acute accent is added on the E. Example: parler, parler. And 2. For the IR verbs, R is taken away from the suffix. Example: finir, fini. And thirdly, for RE verbs, RE is taken away and replaced by a U. Example, vendre, vendu. And for irregular verbs, avoir, eu, être, été, faire, fait, prendre, pris. Thank you so much. If you watched up to this point, that means a lot to me. And please do not forget to join me in the part 2 of this lesson where we'll be looking at the passé composé with the auxiliary verb être. Okay? Please like my video, share your thoughts in my comment section. Probably if you want me to take any other topic, you can as well let me know that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in the next video. A bientôt. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.